Hello there. Today we are going to create another pastel color project. By this tutorial you will able to learn how to control black color and create dark to light image. The view is going to be that you are watching ocean inside of a cave. So for that create the shape of it and start to apply sky blue, yellow orange, pale orange on sky and blend them properly. As you know, sky will reflect into reflective object like glass, water. That's why ocean color also similar. Just add blue from left side and white to show shining effect. On water, also add some rock into sea. Use grey color on it. For inside view, use black and yellow ochre, brown and blend them properly. And use yellow ochre more to show light on rock. So it will give your work up and down effect. For ground, use yellow ochre, brown and blue for showing water coming out from cave. You can see every time I am applying color and blending them so that you can apply another color, but in this work there is some tricky side that you need to apply some solid color like white and yellow on water and sun portion, so it will give your work a nice realistic look. Now time to create sun ray. So for that use yellow, white and orange. First of all, they will not look like good, that's why blend them with black color. You can see there is a little yellow color can be shown on black surface, I mean on rock side. Then use yellow color again to highlight those ray. I know it is not so easy, but you can try it. It will boost your skill. You need to practice a lot so that you will learn about how to control color and create realistic look through your work. Thank you everyone. See you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.